Hi guys, welcome to Srisha's kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today we are going to see how to make an easy and colorful tricolor bread. This is a special dish for Independence Day. So let's see how to make them. First, for the green chutney, in a mixer I am going to add a bunch of mint leaves. I have washed them and drained them nicely without any water particles. So now let's give them 2-3 pulses just to reduce the quantity. Now I'm going to add a bunch of chopped coriander leaves. Friends, take the mint leaves and coriander leaves in equal proportions. Now I'm going to add 2 green chilies, 3 cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger. Now let's chop them and add them inside. 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut, a teaspoon of sugar and a juice of 1 lemon. Then salt according to your taste. And now let's blend them together. Friends, while grinding, do not add water. If you want, you can add little bit more of lemon juice, but do not add water. And if you want more spice into your green chutney, you can add more garlic and more chilies. Friends, after a few attempts of grinding, you will get a bright and a tasty chutney. That's it, our green chutney is ready. It is really tasty and it has a punch of sourness and spice. Now you can store it in an airtight container. If you keep it in the freezer, it lasts for more than a month. For the white part, I have took 4 tablespoons of butter. Then I'm going to add 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Friends, this is optional. You can also use plain butter. Now let's start assembling our bread. First, I'm going to apply our healthy and fresh green chutney we had just made. On top goes another bread. On that, I'm going to apply our butter. Friends, I have cut the sides of the milk bread. This bread goes on top of the green one. And next, I'm going to take some tomato ketchup and apply it on another slice. Now I'm going to add some grated carrots for getting a saffron color of the flag. This is totally optional. You could exclude the carrots also. Then I'm going to cover that layer on top. Next, I'm going to heat my tawa and add some butter. Then I'm going to toast all the sides of the bread to get a crispy texture. You could also grill it. Then I'm going to cut the bread diagonally. That's it, our colorful and tasty tricolor bread is ready. This is really easy to make and healthy too. It is kids' all-time favorite dish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.